Do you know that what many people throw away from pap might actually be one of the most powerful natural drinks for your body? This simple cloudy water you see me holding is called unsieved pap water, and if you drink it the right way, especially in the morning, it can support your digestion, improve your gut health, and even help you feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. But here is the catch. Most people are preparing it the wrong way and losing all the nutrients. Today, I'll show you the right method and why you should never sieve your pap again. What is unsieved pap water? Unsieved pap water is the liquid that comes from fermented grains like millet, corn, or maize. Normally, when people prepare pap, they sieve it and throw away the fiber-rich part. But when you don't sieve it, you keep all the natural nutrients, fiber, and beneficial compounds. This water contains natural probiotics from fermented fiber that support digestion, vitamins from whole grains, and plant compounds that helps your body function better. Think of it as a gentle natural detox drink your body understands. Now let's talk about what this drink actually does in your body. First, it supports digestion. Because of the natural fermentation, it helps balance your gut and can reduce bloating or discomfort. Second, it helps with bowel movement. The fiber content makes it easy for your body to eliminate waste naturally. Thirdly, it keeps you hydrated, especially in hot weather. This drink helps replenish fuels without adding sugar. Fourthly, it gives you light energy. Unlike heavy meals, it nourishes you without making you feel tired or sluggish. It may also support blood sugar control when taken plain and in moderation. Because it is not heavily processed, it releases energy more gradually than sugary drinks. Now, what is the best time to take unsieved pap water? The best time to take unsieved pap water is first thing in the morning. Your stomach is empty, so your body absorbs the nutrient better. You can also take it in the afternoon as a light refreshment. In the evening, if you want something light instead of heavy food. Please take note, when taking this drink, do not add sugar or honey to it. Now, let me show you how to make this powerful drink at home. Step 1. Get your grains. You can either use Guinea corn, maize, or millet. For me, I'll be using Guinea corn and millet, and I'll combine them together. Step 2, I'll soak them for 3 days and I'll wash them properly while I soak them for these 3 days. This allows for proper fermentation. Step 3, after washing it the 3rd day, I will be adding my natural spice such as ginger, cloves, and even sweet potato. Remember to pound your sweet potato before adding it, and also remember to pound your ginger before adding it. Step 4, I'll take it to the grinding machine and they will mill everything together into a smooth paste. Step 5, I'll take it home, mix it together. This is very important. Do not sieve your pap. That's where most people lose the nutrients. What I'll be doing is mixing it together, get my containers, and sharing the pap into each of the containers. Step 6, I'll cover it up and put it into my fridge or freezer. Step 7, I'll scoop some of the unsieved pap into a bowl, add plenty of water, and leave it overnight. By the next day, the water that settles on top of your pap water, that is what you should drink. Here are some important tips. Always use clean water and hygienic preparation method. If it smells too sour or bad, don't drink it. People with sensitive stomach should start with small amounts. And remember, this is not a replacement for balanced meal. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. So the next time you make pap, don't throw away the pap. You might just be throwing away something your body truly needs. Start simple, stay consistent, and let your body thank you naturally. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. And remember, your health is your wealth. Don't joke with it. Stay healthy. See you in my next video.